Hello and welcome again. Are you struggling with low returns on your marketing spend? Let's break down 5 common mistakes that silently kill your ROI, and how to fix them. Ad spend money going in, flat results coming out. It's simply because of no clear objective. And this is actually mistake number 1. Check if you are running ads without a specific goal. That's like shooting arrows in the dark. Always define your KPI first: clicks, leads, sales or engagement. Mistake number 2. Weak creative and messaging. Don't use overloaded creatives or confusing message. Your ad needs to grab attention in 3 seconds or less. Cluttered design and unclear messaging equals skipped instantly. Mistake number 3. Poor targeting. Avoid using ad targeted to everyone. This means wrong audience. In other words, if you are trying to reach everyone, you'll end up reaching no one. Know your audience, speak their language, and target smart. Mistake number 4. Not tracking or optimizing. If you're not analyzing results, you're just guessing. Use data, test variations and optimize constantly. Mistake number 5. No follow-up funnel. Sometimes we do such mistakes by having campaign starts and ends with ads only, no funnel. Most users don't convert on the first click. If you don't retarget or nurture them, you lose them forever. Fix these 5 mistakes, and watch your ROI grow. This is the end. If you need more sharp marketing tips, please follow our channel. Thank you and goodbye.